What's up guys, today I'm going to cover two custom box companies, Packola and Packlane. I'm going to cover everything from their flexibility, cost, and quality and break it down for you, as well as go over their online design software. So let's get to it. Okay, the first thing that I want to cover is their design software that they have on their websites. Okay, so here we are, we're in Packlane's online design software. This isn't something that you have to download, this is right on their website. Right off the bat, I really didn't like it. I think it's crunched. I think there's a lot of negative space. I think it's small type and hard to work with. You don't really get a good view of the box and how it's going to look. I found it hard to find a few things. I have a background in design through Illustrator and Photoshop and everything like that. So I picked it up pretty quick, but I think a beginner, it would take a little bit. I'd say 20-25 minutes, half an hour until you got the hang of things. There's just a few things. Uploading pictures was super easy, but like centering the images when I wanted to, I couldn't find the buttons right away. They're right there below the Add Images tab. Getting the whole box one color, it was pretty easy, but this little drop-down menu of trying to find out where I want to go, back, front, lid open, and then down at the bottom, little slider for the close and open. I'd give it a 6 out of 10. Okay, here we are in Packola's online design software. Once again, this isn't something you have to download. You can do it right on the website. This one was so much easier to work with. I liked it a lot better. Getting the box all one color was super easy. Uploading images was super easy. Centering those images was super easy. You can see right there up at the top. It's quick to find those. Like I said before, I have a background in design, so I picked this up super fast, but I think a beginner would pick it up super easy as well. Moving everything around was just a breeze. Lining up my text, centering it, like I said. One of my favorite things about this was the little design on the right. You know, everything's bigger than the Packlane one here. You can really see the details, where it's going to be and how it's going to fit. And on the right, you have the 3D replication of the box where you just drag and scroll and see how you want it to be. And there's two easy buttons for the close and open lid. I'd say I would give this one an 8 or a 9 out of 10. It was super easy to use, and I just love the interface of it. The second thing I want to cover is their flexibility. So when I say flexibility, I mean what is their delivery, what's their lead time, what's their minimum order quantity, everything like that. How many custom boxes can you order, along with what sizes do they offer as well. Okay, so here's our box, 14 by 12 by 3, material white. We obviously printed this color all throughout it. You're looking at, for 25, you're looking at 1103 per box. So let's just check this out. Our production speed here is looking like 19 to 26 business days. That's not bad. Shipping method, we'll go with the cheapest, the economy home delivery. 1725, it's not bad at all either. 25 boxes. ETA around the end of January or the beginning of February. Okay, but at the end of it all, we are looking at, for economy home delivery, economy production, we're looking at 310.59 for Packlane. Okay, so Packola, 25 pieces, same box size, mailer box, same exact design. We're looking at 13.16 for 25 pieces. Let's just see. For 145 for 10 for 10 we're looking at 22.65. Okay, so more expensive than Packlane. All right, let's continue. Oh wait, fake out. Okay, so for Packola, here we are. You're looking at the same exact box, same exact design. Production time, standard, so 20 to 25 business days. All right, that is, it's the same as Packlane. So they're right on par with Packlane. So let's go proceed to checkout. So same box, same design, same shipping address. We are looking at standard shipping of $46.24, so a lot more expensive than Packlane. Our total right now is $397.75 for Packola. Okay, so when it comes down to Packlane, same box, same design, relatively the same shipping and same production speed, we are looking at a difference of $87. Okay, so all that's left to cover is, let's talk about quality. So for quality, each box was phenomenal. Each was built well. Each one, their print came out great. The color looked great. I don't really think you can go wrong with either Packola or Packlane. Unfortunately, I don't have my Packola box to film. I used it before I was able to finish this video, but this is my Packlane box. But like I said, you'll have to take my word for it. Each was built sturdy. Each came out great. You really can't go wrong with either one of these boxes or one of these companies. Okay guys, so let's review real quick. We looked at Packola and we looked at Packlane, two custom box companies. We looked at cost, sizing, MOQ, lead time, quality, ease of use, and in my opinion, the winner is Packlane. And I chose Packlane because both the quality of each box was fantastic, but you're saving $87 from our little experiment with Packlane. I mean, the cost is for 25 units, you're looking at $11.03 for Packlane, and for 25 units for Packola, you're looking at $13.16 each. The sizes you can make your custom, and they also have stock. Minimum order quantity, you can go from a sample of 1 to 10 to 25 up to like 1,000. Lead time was about the same. I got mine in 2.5 weeks from Packlane, my last shipment. The quality, like I said, was, you know, you can't even tell the difference between the two. The prints came out good, the color came out good. I will have to say that Packlane's boxes came with a bit of a smell. It must have been the ink, but it dissipated pretty quick, and I wouldn't say that it would damage any of your goods or throw a customer off by the time it got to them. The only thing that Packola won, in my opinion, was their ease of use. Their online software is fantastic, but you can get used to Packlane's pretty quick, and for that price, I think it's worth a little extra learning curve. So let me know your opinions in the comments below. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see some more business reviews, and just, I'm gonna go over some things in my daily business life that I think you guys might enjoy. So thank you.